Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have the 2024 Rivian R1T Performance Dual Max 4-door 4WD introduced for the 2022 model year. The Rivian R1T is a completely new electric crew cab pickup truck all in all. A safe cage with good construction is the foundation of vehicle safety. It provides the structural integrity needed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Our stringent driver injury protocols ensure that drivers are well protected in all scenarios. From good chest and head protection to excellent support for hips and thighs, we leave no stone unturned in safeguarding the driver's well-being. Understanding bodily kinematics and driver constraints is key to designing vehicles that prioritize safety. By analyzing these factors, we can create vehicles that offer maximum protection without compromising comfort. But safety doesn't stop with the driver. Our vehicles are equipped with sufficient safeguards for rear passenger injuries, including excellent head, neck, chest, and thigh protection. Rear passenger restraints and dummy kinematics are meticulously designed to ensure optimal safety for all occupants.